Most of the time we spend in our garden, we spend working, partly because we love it, but also there's always something to do. There's always plenty to do. We've got about an acre of land here and it keeps us pretty busy, but we love it. But something else we enjoy doing in the garden is just chilling, just sitting and relaxing. We've created a few spaces in the garden where it's really comfortable just to sit and relax and chill. We've also got portable garden furniture that we can set up around the place, or customers when they come here can also set up and just enjoy sitting in the garden and relaxing. And this is really important for our guests. You know, our guests aren't going to come here and work in the garden, but they certainly want to come here and relax and enjoy it. So we really are looking to improve this somewhat. And so we've got, like I said, we've got a couple of places, but I've got a couple of other ideas in mind. And my wife's been thinking about this too. The other day we took a delivery of a hammock that she had ordered online. So I've got a little bit of work to do to set that up before I can relax in it. But this spot here is another one of our favourite places, and favourite places for our customers to come and relax, especially at sunset because it's a lovely view of the mountains. But yeah, I put this bench in a while ago. I've had to do some modifications to it because the wood takes a bit of a hiding in the elements out here, but that's all right. And then up on the porch, up here, probably can't see it very well from there, but up on that porch I've made another space for adding a bench, a counter up there, or a bar if you like. But this is the area here that we're going to put the hammock. And it's just at the front of the family house, and I'm going to tie it, one end will anchor on this, which is the support for the roof, and then over here I'll add another concrete post. Our neighbours put these boundary posts in, but they're not secure and I don't want to mess with them, so I'll just add another post there. It's about the right distance away for this hammock that my wife has bought. So then we'll have another spot up here in the shade to relax and just enjoy our garden. So there we have it, another great addition to our garden that'll help me get less work done. I've got some resting to do. If you'd like to check out another video from our collection about things in our garden that don't really have anything to do with gardening, check out this video here. Thanks for watching.